In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inspect Element on Safari. If you've ever wanted to peek behind the scenes of a web page, check why a button isn't aligned, or understand how a font or color is applied, the Inspect Element tool is your best friend. I'll walk you through turning it on and using it the right way, in a clear, simple flow that works on a Mac with Safari. First, open Safari on your device. Make sure you're on any web page you'd like to explore. It can be a site you're building, a page you're troubleshooting, or even a favorite site you're just curious about. Next, look for the settings icon. Depending on your Safari layout and Mac OS version, you might see a gear or settings style icon in the toolbar. If you don't see that, no worries. Just click the Safari menu at the top left of your screen. That's where you'll find the app's settings. Click Preferences. On newer macOS versions, this may be labeled Settings, but it takes you to the same place. This panel controls Safari's behavior and appearance, and it's where the developer options live. Now click the Advanced tab, which you'll find on the far right of the Preferences or Settings window. The Advanced tab gathers power user features that aren't needed every day, so Apple tucks them away here to keep the main interface clean. At the bottom of this advanced panel, check the box that says Show Features for Web Developers. Turning this on unlocks Safari's built-in development tools. You may also notice a new Develop menu appear in the menu bar. That's a good sign everything is enabled correctly. With the features turned on, go to any part of the web page, right-click on the element you want to examine, and choose Inspect Element. If you're using a trackpad without a dedicated right-click, you can use a two-finger click or hold the Control key while clicking to bring up the same menu. Selecting Inspect Element opens the Web Inspector docked to the bottom or side of Safari. You'll see the page's HTML structure, the CSS rules that style the selected element, and handy panels for layout, network requests, and more. This is where you can pinpoint spacing issues, test style changes, or confirm that an image or link is loading as expected. When you're done, simply close the Web Inspector to return to normal browsing. That's it. You've enabled developer features and used Inspect Element in Safari. With these tools at your fingertips, diagnosing and fine-tuning web pages becomes much faster and more precise.